Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the SWEEPBIRD Pro Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop all-in-one, designed to vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously. This versatile floor washer tackles both wet and dry messes on a variety of sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and marble, making it an essential tool for any household. Equipped with a smart voice reminder, it keeps you informed and guided, while the self-cleaning system simplifies maintenance. Just place it on the dock, connect the power, and press a button. With a powerful 15,000 PA suction and a motorized brush spinning at over 2,500 RPM, it effortlessly removes even the toughest dirt and dust, leaving your floors dry and streak-free in minutes, thanks to its impressive 90% water recovery rate. The self-propulsion system ensures easy maneuverability, allowing the lightweight SWEEPBIRD C1 to glide smoothly across any surface, tackling any mess with ease. The package includes everything you need: 2 rolling brushes, 2 HEPA filters, a 110 to 240 volts adapter, a charging base, and a HEPA cleaning brush, ensuring you're fully equipped for a superior cleaning experience. So, if you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use cleaning solution, the SWEEPBIRD Pro is your go-to choice for pristine floors every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.